Hi, I'm Terrance, and that's Colette there. Um, I want to show y'all the recipe of what I call my shrimp fried rice, and I do put different stuff in it. You probably do the same way. First, you start off, you cook you some rice, some plain rice, which I have here. Um, you want to get it real buttery, because you want to have it ready to be loose, and there won't be no clumps in it. And you get it like that, as you can see. And once you get it like that, you're going to add the shrimp. You already be done cooked the shrimp in butter. And it's going to have a little juice to it, which helps good for the rice. And then you want to mix that in, kind of a little bit. And then you want to grab your sausage. You see I cut up some sausage, little, Roger Woods. I like Roger Woods, so I cut up a little Roger Woods. And I'm going to pour them in there. You don't have to cook the sausage, because the sausage is going to cook already automatically when you put this in the oven after you cover it up. You'll see later on in the video. Now, then you want to add, you may not want to add bacon, but I add bacon with mine. And I kind of sprinkle it around after I done, some fried bacon and crush it up, And I put that in there along so with the sausage and the shrimp. So now we have all our ingredients. Well, you may want to put other stuff, crab meat. I use crab meat sometimes. You may want to put onions or whatever. But my wife don't like onions, so I try not to put none in there. And some to the kids down the street where my kids at, they don't probably eat onions either, so I don't put onions in because everybody don't like onions. Once you get all this stirred in, kind of like what I'm doing now, you want to get it all stirred up where everything won't be together, because when somebody gets some, you'll have shrimp and oyster and bacon in their meal. So once I get it all stirred up like this, I'm just gonna stir it a little bit longer, make sure it's all mixed up good. Once you get it like this and get it all stirred up, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna wrap it and put it in the oven. You want to set the oven at 350, or you may want to set it higher. I don't know, but the higher you set it, the quicker you'll have to try to get it out of there. You don't want to burn it or cook it, so I just put it on like 350 and let it go in there. But, I think I'm pretty well stirred up now. So what I'm finna do, I'm finna take the foil paper and I'm gonna wrap it. You want to wrap it where the it won't get any air, where it can steam good, and it'll cook the sausage up also. So I'm gonna I didn't get a big thing of foil paper. I had this left over from something else, so I'm gonna use this. You can get the big foil paper, you probably just wrap it all at one time. But I'm gonna wrap it real good. And once I get it wrapped, I'm gonna sit it in the oven. There really ain't no time limit if you know it's hot. And then there, I usually be about 35 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. And once I get that in there, got it all wrapped up, I sit in the oven. And the oven, like I said, I put it on like 350. And there you go. Thank you for watching me and call that video a cooking video. I ask you to please touch that subscribe button and that like button. Subscribe to our channel. Bye. This is the end of the food. This is how the rice look like. You got bacon in it, sausage and shrimp. That's how it looks. Bye.